Recently I installed Anaconda for Python, and once I installed it, I wanted it to run from command prompt. So I opened my command prompt and typed Python, and I got this error saying Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. It took me long time to figure out how to solve this issue, so thought of putting it onto syntax errors. Hi, this is Mukesh from syntaxerrors.com. Let's figure out how do you solve this error. So before we learn to fix this error, let's learn how does this error occur. So when I type Python in my command prompt has to find that python.exe somewhere, right? And somehow it cannot find that exe. That is what the problem is. So now as an installer, as a user, I know where I have installed my Python or where I have installed my Anaconda, right? But somehow operating system is not getting that path for that exe. So manually we'll have to go to that particular area where it tries to find the exes and add our Python into it, so that next time when we restart or next time when we try to execute Python, it will have that path ready to execute that particular python.exe, right? And where do you configure this? So first of all, let me show you where my Anaconda is installed. So my Anaconda is installed in C drive in Anaconda 2, and this is where my python.exe is, and this path I'll have to add or configure somewhere, right? And that somewhere is here. You just right click on your my computer thing, go to properties, go to advanced system settings, and go to environment variables. Here you can see that I have got different environment variables set, and the variable which checks for these exes is path variable. So if I edit this variable now, you will see that I don't have this particular path for python.exe into it. So if I go to C and Anaconda, so I don't have this particular C:/Anaconda path into my path variable here, right? So I do have Anaconda/scripts, but that is not where my Python is there, right? So I'll have to create a new path and type here that particular stuff. So ANACONDA Anaconda 2 slash, right? This is where my Python is, right? And you don't need to even give python.exe as an extension to this path, because it automatically finds that particular command into all these paths, right? So let's see if this thing fixes that error. So I will click OK. I will close these boxes, and again let's start command prompt. Now in order to save these changes, or in order to let command prompt understand that we have configured our path, we'll have to restart the command prompt. So I will close this, I will open the command prompt again, and now this time if I run Python, now you can see that I did not get that error, because it has now find out the actual python.exe to that path, which in my case was C:/Anaconda 2, right? So this is how you resolve this error. And now let me tell you that this error could occur for any other exe, right? You search for, or you type curl curl in order to execute, but you get the same error that curl is not recognized as an internal or external command, right? Or you install some program and try to run it from command prompt, and you will get this error saying that that particular program is not recognized as an internal or external command. And that's how you fix it. You just right click on my computer, go to properties, advanced system settings, and go to environment variables and give that path into that path variable, right? So That's how you fix this error. It was too much simple, but then it took me too much long to figure this out. Anyways, I hope this solution solves your problems. This is Mukesh signing off from syntaxerrors.com. Have a good day.